Our last contestant is a very, very, very lovely contestant. The one with the beautiful smile. Susang, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Susang. How do you feel?
I feel a little low today because I've got sore throat, but rather than that, I'm really excited. I'm really excited for the number of days that I'm going to get to live here in this pageant, and the bag full of memories that I'm going to take back home. I'm really excited.
You are very excited.
Yes,
I'm so
I
happy
am.
you're excited. Susang, my next question to you is, what would you say to someone who says pageantry degrades women?
I feel it's because everyone has a different perception on certain things, and when people are not aware of a certain thing or a certain environment, they do tend to have a point of view. But then I'd like to sorry, can I go again? But then I'd like to make them understand that no, pageantry definitely does not degrade women, because I've seen myself grow from someone who had totally low self-esteem to be able to stand here in front of you and talk in front of the camera, and then pageantry has allowed me to grow and become the person that I am today, and also believe in myself, and that is what is needed.
Truly, truly. And we see you thriving here so beautifully, and we're already very proud of you. My next question to you is about your advocacy. How do you believe that you as an individual can make a difference regarding racism?
I've always believed that be the change you wish to see in the world. I've always followed this thing, and having experienced racism myself, I know the pain that a person has to go through. Imagine being called a Chinese in your own country, and that is. But then I feel I need to take tiny steps at a time and make people understand and aware of the fact that we all are one, and we all are one in all together, and we belong to the same fraternity. And of course, we need to create more awareness by stepping out from our own comfort zones, and that is why I stand here today, to make people see and understand that I belong to where you belong as well.
And you are a very much part of India, as we are, and we are so happy that you are representing one of the most beautiful parts of our country, Northeast. My last question to you is, what are the steps you are going to take to expand your advocacy?
See, like I said, I am going to be the change you wish to see. I'm always going to work hard on this one, because I myself feel that if I do not stand out, then no one is going to come out of their zones and then actually believe that they can do it. For me to get here was really hard. First, the lack of opportunities, the very less amount of opportunities that we get, and second, the comments that we get from people that of not being a certain type, not having a certain type of identity. And to overcome all that, and for that, I'd like to tell people that please make sure that you believe in yourself. That is what is going to take you a long way. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Susang. It was lovely talking to you. It was lovely talking to you. I hope you all the very best, and I hope you bring laurels to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mwah.